I built a company that is run almost completely by AI. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Quick intro. My name is Meir, and over the last 2 months, I have scheduled over 50 podcasts, and here's the proof. So as you can see, in the last 2 months, we've scheduled 50 podcasts with business leaders, and I didn't send a single manual email to book these. Every single morning, I'm getting a Slack message from my AI agent, basically laying out my day, time blocking for me, and giving me a summary of the top 3 priorities when it comes to generating revenue and the best systems to prioritize and build. Uh, Basically, I have a system that looks like this, where I can run a simple command like, "Hey, Ivy, can you please follow up on all of our leads that need to be followed up with today? And for demo purposes, please don't paste in emails or last names." And basically, my AI agent is on the back end connected to all my tools and handling all my manual work. And the way this works is really interesting. Basically, I started tracking every single thing that I do and using my AI agents to understand repeatable patterns and start building automations on every single task that I do so that it becomes automatic. And so I really see that AI usage is breaking up into 3 separate levels. Where I was, the way that most people use AI is they use it to try and do tasks faster, and they're basically kind of still the bottleneck. Um, so really, I just build systems where AI runs operations for me, and I don't need to actually be involved. And the last level of AI, which I think this is where we're all headed, is where AI starts leading my company, and I basically become just one of the employees who's who's kind of in charge of the human contact element, and AI's executing on the goals that we've set together, and really just taking it from there. Everyone's kind of in love with these tools right now, and so another big thing that I've been able to work heavily on is using Claude Code and Maltbot, which is basically what this tool is connected to right now, to be a lot more secure and not be nearly as hackable as a lot of people's um, setups are right now. And basically, we've been figuring out a way to leverage AI and make it very, very productive for us, and also lock everything down securely. And so this has taken me many months to figure out on how to actually implement this system. And basically, right now, I'm fascinated by these tools, and so I want to help other people skip the learning curve that I've gone through. And so I'm opening up a couple of slots on my calendar for some free accelerator calls, where I'll give one-on-one advice and help you skip months off the learning curve. And I'll leave that link below. But just to recap, this is an example of what my AI agent just did for me. It found all the leads that we need to follow up with, and all I need to do is basically approve it, and we'll send them all out. Anyways, if you want to learn about how to do this, feel free to reach out.